Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to use blue burn apothecary. Okay, so the best thing I want to tell you, like, there are two methods by which you can take this product very easily. The first one is like directly in your mouth, or you can use this product with the water. Okay, so I want to show you some information, then you can say, like, you can get all the information very easily. Like, you can see, if you want to reduce your craving, then you can take it directly with the help of dropper, or you can also mix a small glass with water, and you can put a full dropper into the, you can say, like, glass of water, and you can take it before meal to reduce your craving. Okay, and it will, like, give you helping you in your, you can say, like, balancing your blood sugar, and it will, when you consume this product, you will feel like your stomach is full and you don't need food. So this kind of benefit you are going to get, and it will also help in digestion, and it will also help in your endurance and metabolism. You can say, like, it will also boost your metabolism. So you can use this product by using these two ways. Okay, you can directly take a dropper into your mouth, or you can use a glass of water. Okay, which is more comfortable, you can use any type. Okay, for workout boost, if you want to boost your workout, then you can put a water, you can say, like, bottle before and workout. For less exercise, include soreness, and you can also use this product for better exercise. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can easily use this product, I know. Okay, so if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.